That's a very nice poster.
Don't make fun of my hose.
What?
Don't make fun of my hose.
Oh, your flaming water hose.
Not flaming. It's
That
like
actually looks like an office plant. I mean, it looks great. It looks exactly like water. It's a beautiful poster.
Kick you in the shin.
But do it with a smile so people are happy to come get their car washed.
That was my shoe.
Yes, there went your shoe.
Good
job. That's true, yeah. Good thinking. See, Sierra was thinking that, you know, we don't want them to die trying to slow down really hard to make that turn. So you're gonna be the C, but you need to bring your right arm closer to Sierra. See, so it makes more of a C. Whoa, just like, actually that's perfect. Keep what you got. All right, Sierra, move over just a little bit. Okay, then we got an R. Okay, let me take a step back so I can see it better.
Car wash. Car wash!
Come on, guys! Come on, guys!
That's not crazy, that's scary. Why? Help this poor child! You're holding it the wrong way.
Come on, don't look this weird. Alright guys, let's act bad now.
He needs a hug. You need a hug.
Austin, come give him a hug. Come here.
Come here, Roy. It's gonna be okay, bud. Come here. Come here. I got your back, buddy. Come here. Spread out for me. Need a little cooperation.
You're alive! I'm alive!